So that is as close as I can get to my house. I totally forgot to film anything because I was literally like in survival mode lately, trying to just get home and survive and see where I'm going and not crash and stuff. I did kind of crash into a snowbank. I slid right off the road and got stuck on an off-camber turn. I didn't film any of it, but take my word for it, it was pretty sketchy. Okay, so you see this thing behind me here? That's the bumper that I just ripped off in a snowbank. I'm about 2.5 hours into my drive home today, and it's snowing like crazy, and I couldn't get up the hill, so I had to wait for a plow. So thank you to my neighbors at the Pine Lake Lodge for letting me kind of crash there for a while. Man, what a sucky day. I shouldn't have gone to work, and I definitely should not have driven the car. I should have drove the truck. I don't know what I was thinking. Here's to hoping I get the rest of the way home. I want to be home. My half-hour commute became a 3.5-hour commute in this snowstorm. I shouldn't have gone to work. That much is for sure. Now I'm trudging in knee-deep snow the last 150 yards home, with my car stuck in a snowbank at the edge of the road. Not much fun. But I gotta get the car unstuck before we can plow the driveway. Good girl! Good girl! Hi! 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 Come on, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Good girl. Come on, let's go. Yes. I know, I'm happy to see you too. What a mess. Yeah. For a while. Yeah. Till I dig it out. Yesterday there was no snow on the ground, almost none, and today I really can't even tell you how happy I am to be home right now. Hi. Give me a kiss.